So I ordered this portable gaming little machine from Aliexpress, and actually I paid $1 more than this, but that's fine. Oh, actually I didn't. I ordered with a controller. Okay, so this is the amount I paid. This is expensive now. I'm just joking. This is a fairly cheap price for a gaming console. It has a 400-in-1 double handheld game console, double mode, mini size, and guess what? I just received it. So let's unbox it. So inside the box, let's read the text on the box. That's always interesting thing to do when you receive cheap Chinese products. It says here, support external gamepad double against. That's cool. So you have a TV out, you have adapter, power button, reset, game keys, 4 game keys. They didn't specify a speaker here, but there is volume plus and minus, select start and arrow keys. And you can see what you get with the console and colors. Here I got red and white version. So it is 6 hours of continuous gameplay. That's cool to see. It has a built-in lithium-ion battery, rechargeable. Play on TV. Okay. Inside the box, you get this little console, your cable for connecting it to a TV, and you can see it is audio and video cable, and teeny tiny USB cable, around 15 centimeters, and that's a old school connector, and of course your manual. So let's see console itself. I mean, it's for a price, it is a decent console. The plastics, they feel cheap, but it doesn't bend, so that's cool to see. So before I power my consoles, I always try to bend them. I'm joking. And you here have a power button, your charger, and here you plug this TV cable all the way in. And on this side you have a volume knob, volume wheel, and on the front you have a screen. How big that screen is? Do we have any specs? 3-inch screen, so that's cool. And speaker here, that's nice. Also the battery is the same one that old Nokia phones used, so I'm sure Aliexpress is full of these replacement batteries, so that's cool. You can buy yourself a few of these batteries and play this non-stop. So to power it on, push this, and we have a light, red light here. This music is annoying. English. Okay, and you can see all the games built in. Are there actually 400 games? Wait a second, I ordered a version with a controller and I didn't receive one. Okay. Let me check that on Aliexpress. Sa kontrolerom, šta mi je utražio. So, the seller didn't send me the version with controller, so I guess I will have to play by myself now. Okay, let's continue with the games. This game repeats Donkey Kong, and also this F1 race. I have seen that already. So let's try one. I don't want to show in front of a camera because of potential strike on YouTube. So I'll try some games and let you know how the buttons work and how the console works. So after playing a few games, this console seems pretty good. The buttons are responsive. I'm not an expert on this field, but for a casual play here and there, this is a great console. You can see it has a Mario game also. And if you want to exit a game, you just press this button and you're back. On your start and select screen, you can see also there is a Mario 14. That's some strange copy of Mario. I tried that also, and let's see if the save game works. Of course, the save doesn't work, so I guess there isn't a save system for this. Like I said, I'm not an expert on these, but if you ask me for the price, this seems a cool console. It's quite small.